Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news for you. Samsung executive Daniel An just confirmed major upgrades in key areas for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, and we've got the scoop on the latest camera, display, RAM, and AI technologies. Stay tuned for the details. The camera system on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most advanced on the market. Here's why it stands out. Main sensor, 200 MP. The centerpiece of this setup is the 200 MP main sensor. This sensor captures an extraordinary level of detail, making your photos sharper and more vibrant than ever before. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or low light, the massive pixel count helps to reduce noise and enhance clarity. Telephoto cameras, 50 MP, 3x and 5x optical zoom. The S25 Ultra doesn't just have one telephoto camera, it has two, each with 50 MP resolution. The first offers 3x optical zoom, perfect for portraits or capturing subjects from a moderate distance. The second is a periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, allowing you to get even closer without sacrificing quality. These cameras give you the flexibility to zoom in on distant objects while maintaining sharpness and detail. Ultra-wide camera, 50 MP. Finally, the 50 MP ultra-wide camera is designed to capture expansive landscapes, large group shots, or tight interior spaces. The high resolution ensures that even wide-angle photos retain impressive detail. Together, this quad camera system allows you to capture every moment with unparalleled precision, whether you're zooming in from afar or capturing the big picture. The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to deliver a photography experience that few other smartphones can match. The camera app on the latest device is packed with powerful new features designed to elevate your photography and videography experience. Improve low-light performance. One of the standout enhancements is the improved low-light performance. This means the camera can capture clearer, more detailed images in dim lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting indoors or at night, the camera's advanced algorithms and larger sensor size work together to reduce noise and improve sharpness, ensuring that your photos look great even in challenging lighting. Enhanced portrait mode. Portrait mode has also seen significant upgrades. The camera now better recognizes subjects, creating more accurate and natural-looking background blur or bokeh. This feature gives your photos a professional feel, with the subject standing out sharply against a soft, artistically blurred background. Whether you're taking portraits of people or pets, the enhanced portrait mode delivers stunning results. Advanced video recording capabilities. For video enthusiasts, the camera app introduces advanced recording features like 8K video recording. 8K resolution offers incredible detail, making your videos look sharper and more lifelike. Additionally, the 960Hz slow motion feature lets you capture ultra slow motion footage, perfect for creating dramatic effects. This is ideal for action shots, sports, or any moment you want to highlight with stunning precision. With these new features, the camera app transforms your device into a powerful tool for both photography and videography, enabling you to capture professional quality content with ease. Next, the display. Samsung is expected to further refine its display technology, building upon its already strong position in the market. With improved brightness, color accuracy, and refresh rates, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite content with a more immersive and engaging viewing experience. But that's not all. The display is also getting some exciting new features, including support for HDR10+, improved blue light filtering, and enhanced always-on display capabilities. With features like these, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite content in a whole new way. But that's not all. The Galaxy S25 series is likely to come with more RAM than its predecessors and advanced AI capabilities thanks to Samsung's collaboration with Google. This means you'll be able to enjoy seamless performance and intelligent features that make your life easier. But that's not all. The AI capabilities are also getting some exciting new features, including improved natural language understanding, enhanced conceptual understanding, and advanced predictive maintenance. With features like these, you'll be able to enjoy a more personalized and intuitive user experience.